And just days after the results of the DDC elections in Jammu and Kashmir, the opposition has alleged that the government is facilitating horse trading and helping parties in Jammu and Kashmir poach opposition DDC members. In the Shopian district, a DDC member who won on a National Conference ticket joined the Apni party led by Altaf Bukhari. The National Conference alleges that the police have kept their leaders in preventive custody in Shopian to facilitate defections of the recently elected DDC member. The Gupkar Alliance has won 112 seats and the Congress, it has comfortable majority to govern the district councils in 13 districts. The BJP has a majority in 6 districts. But after these allegations of defections, it is unclear now if the opposition will be allowed to govern in all these 13 districts. The biggest challenge for the opposition is to keep its flock together as the anti-defection law doesn't apply to DDC members.
गिरफ्तारियां, पकड़ दकड़, धमकियां और मकसद सिर्फ यही है कि जिन ज़िलों में पीपल्स अलायंस का, मैं कश्मीर प्रोविंस की बात कर रहा हूं, जिन ज़िलों में पकड़ दकड़ के ज़रिए वो रिज़ल्ट को तब्दील कर सकते हैं और डीडीसी चेयरमैन जो है अलायंस को छोड़ के दूसरी पार्टी का बना सकते हैं, वहां पे जोरों शोर से ये काम चल रहा है। फिलहाल शुरुआत उन्होंने शुपियां जिले से की है। मेरे 2 साथी सीनियर वच्ची के हमारे एक्स एमएलसी शौकत गनाई साहब और शुपियां के हमारे सेगमेंट इंचार्ज शबीर अहमद कुल्ले साहब वहां के बार के प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं, लेकिन उनका सबसे अहम रोल जो है वो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के वहां पे सीनियर लीडर के हैसियत से है। नतीजों के बाद दोनों को वहां से उठाया गया, दोनों को कहते हैं प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन में लिया गया। अब वो क्या प्रिवेंट कर रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आता, क्योंकि सिवाय डेमोक्रेसी के और किसी चीज को प्रिवेंट नहीं किया जा रहा है वहां पे।
Nazir Masoodi, tracking these political developments, joins us live. Nazir, it's a very interesting story that's emerging from these DDC elections. On the one hand, you have the Prime Minister claiming a victory for democracy, the opposition Gupkar Alliance there alleging that this is, democracy that is actually being killed. At the moment, it's interesting because this anti-defection law doesn't apply to DDC polls. So even though the Gupkar Alliance, is in the majority in 13 districts, one doesn't know whether they'll actually govern there. All right, we seem to have Nazir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Right. Nazir, it's interesting political developments that are taking place. Despite the majority for the Gupkar Alliance, one doesn't know whether they'll actually govern in these 13 districts or not.
Well, exactly. Who may have won the election and who will form the, governance in these district government, councils. National Conference is saying clearly their members are being stolen by the Apni party. Apni party are denying these things. They are saying those who come on their own. There's no horse trading. So the fact is, it is in fact altering the results. It is changing the outcome of these results. While the Gupkar Alliance may have won 112 seats, which was the biggest group or the biggest alliance, and followed by the BJP, and they were set to form the or control the district development council in at least 13 districts out of 20 districts in Jammu and Kashmir. But at least now they are losing one district, Shopian district, where 3 members, 2 from BJP and National Conference and PDP, and 1 independent have joined Apni party. So clearly we have to see lots of twists and turns, and Omar Abdullah is saying that it is anything but democracy, which is whatever is happening in Jammu and Kashmir post results of this district development council election. And these allegations have come on a day when Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about these elections, how they are historical. On that day, National Conference is saying this is anything but democracy, but we may have to see so many twists and turns in this whole political drama.